So yesterday, this little fledgling sparrow had a bloody head and was hiding under a leaf in my front yard. He survived the night. Don't know if it's a he or she. It's got she feathers, but it's immature, so I don't know. She survived the night. I did not give her any food or water. Just kind of let her overcome the shock in a safe space. I threw some dried mealworms in there. There's some. It was within the bearded dragon food, so that's why there's real red nurdles in there. Those are too big for her. I can't believe she's okay with me filming, and she's like chilling and preening and stuff. I have wildlife rehabilitation experience. Do not just hijack baby birds because they're trying to fly on the ground. This one was bloody. I was about to put a little water in there now to see if she wanted it, but she is actually bopping around and acting perfectly normal. So it was probably just shock, and I'm just going to go and let her free. Look at that. This is all normal behavior. They may be dust bathers, actually. Some of them bathe in water, some of them bathe in dust. But this is normal behavior, and she did kind of fly up to the top of the thing before I closed it again. She was just on a towel and some warmth overnight, which is what you should do with shock. You shouldn't handle them or offer food and water. Just keep them warm in a safe, dry, dark place. And it worked. She's going to exhibit these behaviors. I might as well just film it. You are super cute. This is a house sparrow. They go from a hatchling to a nestling to a fledgling to an adult. Well, there's a juvenile stage too, I guess. So, but fledgling means they almost have their full set of adult feathers, and her tail is a little shorter than a normal sparrow's tail would be. So, you know, she still has this like disheveled appearance. It's not completely fully grown, but enough to get her some lift in the air, and obviously she's raring to go. All right. Oh, that was a rouse. That was a really tiny baby sparrow rouse. Charlie does that. We have videos on it. All right, let me bring her outside. All right, it just started raining. Normally I would put the bird in the front yard, but this has a lot of good cover back here, and I can put her low so that the fence is kind of a barrier back to where Charlie is. I know. Really, all I wanted to accomplish was to just see her through the shock and then see if she wanted. You can kind of see the dried blood on the side there. I'm surprised she survived through the night, to be honest. Normally you'd have to grab them, but this little one is so chill. Here. Go on. Oh, good little bird. And if the parents are still here, they will actually hear her and come for her. She's also still got a little bit. I can't believe she lets me get this close. See that yellow on the side? That's called her gape. When they beg with their mouths open, that's called gaping. That color's still showing like that is another sign that she's not fully grown. You are very cute. So best to just let nature take its course, but with like feeding her and stuff. Rather than try to force food down her throat. She's active, she's alert, she's vocalizing, so better to just let her do it or let her parents do it. Like I said, it's raining, so there will be water available. She's up off the ground, so the cats won't get her. See how she's mobile. I love success stories. So she's away from Charlie. She survived the night. Not in shock anymore. Normal behaviors. Good luck, little one.